Based on the situation, the lifestyle has changed. For this reason, we thought about the innovation of the computer and what it offers. Our proposal is that the next generation of computers are capable for providing the best user experience, using four-dimensional as the first facilitator. This means that even being in the same physical place, the user will have the possibility to perceiving aspects for reality. For example, perfumery companies will be able to display online samples of their products. The user will be able to perceive the smells. From now on, the focus on the market will be especially direct to the experience that a product can provide for the customer, no matter what industry you are. So, presenting a product almost live and direct will call the consumer attention, not only for the novelty, but for the benefits the Thanks computer represents. The consumer will have the opportunity to save time and money by not having to travel to the place in order to try these products, while considerably increasing their comfort, satisfaction, and, of course, their relationship with one of the biggest current trends, e-commerce. Additionally, it will generate value and competitive advantage for brands that have the ability to present themselves on a par with this new way of doing business.
Okay, so why is our innovation important? Because principally it reduces time because you have to uh, wait for sometimes minutes when you have like an hard drive in your computer. This is fixed by implementing a solid state drive in the computer, and also it reduces cost because our computer is not using any type of GPU. We are working with an APU, which is a CPU with a GPU like kind of integrated, so we can deliver to our customer the real value of the product because our product is not focused especially on uh, designing or rendering like videos or something like that. Our product is focused on uh, performing daily life things better. So by doing that, we must be able to reach our customer in a way that our product will be really useful for them. Another important point of our innovation is that we use the artificial intelligence in a better way, applied to everyday every every life, daily, like those small things, those small tasks. So we focused on applying AI to deliver information and or to get information from our consumer, where we can where the computer can process that data and transforming in transforming it to a useful data for our customer. For example, if you use the computer, for example, inside your car, you could get useful information like maps. It works like a GPS, for example, but it could also bring real and live data from the status of your car, like hey, your hikes are without the properly air, for example, or your gas is almost over. So it could be applied for everyday things. And for another example could be the use in the office. You could say to the computer, "Hey, what kind of information have for me today what task I have to do for our project, for example. And the computer can manage those activities and can display the data in a proper way from the holographic screen that we want to implement it in the product. So that's one of the mainly innovations of the product, and this innovation is focused also in recovering those tech laggards that those are the old people who are not used to use an UA like Windows UI or Mac UI because it's too complicated for them. So we focused on also those people, and by recovering those people, we could apply technology for everyone, and this is very important in order to develop technologies that understand better the customer and understand better the person. So this is the reason why we did this product.